January 28, 2023 Papa, shot dead in St. Ann home invasion STANN, Jamaica. A man was shot dead at his home in Windsor, St. Ann's Bay, St. Ann, on Thursday evening. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Shaquem Mackenzie, otherwise called Upapa. Reports are that about 6 p.m., Mackenzie was in the bathroom when a man armed with a handgun entered the house. The man reportedly went to the bathroom, where he found Mackenzie using the toilet, and shot and killed him before fleeing the premises. It is understood that residents called the police, and Mackenzie's body was found lying in the bathroom by lawmen.